Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new episode of Matson Vlogs, and today we are going to talk about my new wheels. And I know there has been a few weeks or maybe even a few months between the last episode and this one, but you know, because of the COVID-19 there has been a lot of things going and we didn't have a chance to go to Wörthersee tour this year, and that took almost everything of the motivation to do upgrades for the car or film these videos. But yeah, luckily we have now time and a little bit more motivation, and yeah, I thought it would be nice to start with a video of the new wheels. And there hasn't been any big upgrades between the last episode, which was the R suspension, and yeah, hopefully we are going to get some performance upgrades soon. But yeah, let's talk about the wheels. And the wheels are from RAD48 and I bought these used. Before these wheels I was trying to buy a set of BBS but they wasn't good for the car. They were 19 inch in diameter and front end was something like 10 inch and rear end 10.5. And the problem with the wheels were that the face was touching the AMG brake calipers, and that's why I didn't buy those wheels. So yeah, the front wheels are 9.5 wide. All of the wheels are 20 inch in diameter and these are 9.5 wide, and ET is something like 30. I would have preferred 19 inch wheels and a little bit wider, so that fitment will be better, because there is a lot of space between the wheel and fender. So I'm thinking about adding a 5mm spacer so the fitment would be a little bit better, and maybe raising the car like 1 or 2 centimeters so we could get the perfect fitment. And the car is a little bit too high with the 20 inch wheels, but we couldn't get any good 19 inch wheels, so we have to get along with these wheels. And yeah, that's basically everything from the front wheels. And yeah, the face is polished and it's coated ceramic coat, and the lips are also polished, and I think they are also ceramic coated. So yeah, in the rear we are having a 10 inch wide and it is something like 45. The fitment would be nice to be a lot of better, but I think I need to raise the car like 2 or 3 centimeters and get a little bit further out with a small spacer and a little bit thinner tires, so the fitment will be better. But I think it's pretty good with a used set of 3-piece wheels. If I could have more time, I would have ordered a custom-made 3-piece set, and then I would have like 19 inch wheels and a little bit wider and better fitment. But to find a custom set of used 3-piece wheels that are looking this good, it was really hard, and these were the best option for my car, and I'm pretty happy with this set. And yeah, the polished finish of the center hasn't been my favorite, but now after a few weeks of owning these wheels I have started to like them a lot. And at the start I was thinking about painting or coating the centers after this summer or in the mid of the summer, but at this point I think I don't want to paint or coat those wheels anymore, because I'm starting to like the polished finish Yep, the tires I'm running at this point are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, and they are in sizes of 235, 30 and 245 and 30, and they have been working pretty well, and there is definitely a little bit of traction issues on the rear end, but these are rated to be the best street legal or the best tires to use on street or racing track, so I'm trusting on that, and I don't at this point know any better tires or something, so I think we are going to stick with these, maybe a little bit thinner tires, and then we can bring the wheels a little bit closer to the outside of the fender. Yep, I think that's everything of the wheels, and next we are going to watch a small shortcut of the car that I filmed already today. And yeah, thanks again for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and yeah, until next time, thank you guys.